Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me OPPO A2X, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not responding on this device. So if your screen is not respond after you have damaged the screen, unfortunately I can't help you. So if your smartphone has fallen, if your smartphone had the contact with the water, I can't help you because it's all physical damage of the touch screen, and in this situation only in customer service people can help you, but I can't. And to help you in this situation, I suggest in the other situations when your system is frozen, is bugging and freezing, so we just need sometimes to perform the force restart. And to perform the force restart on this device, we just need to click and hold together power and volume up buttons and hold it until we will see the OPPO logo on our screen. Release both keys when you will see the OPPO logo on your screen. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!